Let's look at the sequence of steps on the equilibrium diagram for ethanol water. Suppose the initial ethanol-water mixture is 25% ethanol and 75% water. The ethanol concentration of the vapor of this first stream is 56%, as we see on the equilibrium curve. If we condense this vapor to a liquid and feed it to a second pot, the liquid mixture is also 56% ethanol. What is the concentration of ethanol in the vapor in the second pot? We can find this easily on the equilibrium curve by using the 45-degree line. Remember that the 45-degree line is nothing more than the points where the vapor and liquid concentrations are the same. If we draw a horizontal line from the equilibrium curve to the 45-degree line, this point now represents the liquid mixture in the second pot. By drawing a vertical line up to the equilibrium line, we can determine what is the ethanol concentration in the vapor in the second pot. The concentration is 68%. What about the third pot? We draw the horizontal line to the 45-degree line and the vertical line to the equilibrium line and find our answer, 75%. This procedure can be repeated for any number of pots. Each one of these steps is called a stage. It takes 3 stages to produce a product with an ethanol concentration of 75% from a liquid mixture with an initial ethanol concentration of 25%. Instead of using a sequence of pots, we can essentially do the same thing in a distillation column. A distillation column is nothing more than a series of pots stacked on top of one another with continuous flow from one pot to another. Each of these pots are also called a stage in the column. In practice, the separation is either done with trays or packing instead of pots. We can think of a tray or a certain height of packing as a stage in the process. The distillation column is a continuous process. It has a feed stream containing the original liquid mixture. From the top of the column, the distillate containing the more volatile components is removed. From the bottom of the column, the residue containing the less volatile components is removed.